Welcome to Auto Art AI Euro 2024. This match is between Belgium and Slovakia. Belgium is the strong favourite in this group and it is an easy match for them. Slovakia is coming into this game with one loss. They desperately need a win. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, the winner is the first to score 10 goals. And we have kickoff, and Belgium is on the attack first. Oh, but Slovakia is the first to score, but an own goal. Terrible, under no pressure. And 1-0 for Belgium. Slovakia on the attack. Oh, Belgium on the counter-attack. An open goal, and they score. Got behind the defenders, open goal, and it's an easy score. "2-0 for Belgium. Oh, and a quick one from Belgium, straight from the whistle. It's 3-0 for Belgium. Slovakia trying to get one back, but a chance for counter-attack, and Belgium has counter-attack again. Got behind the defenders and straight into goal. It's 4-0 for Belgium. Playing in the midfield. Oh, and finally Slovakia has pulled one back. It's 4-1 for Belgium. Oh, Slovakia has pulled another one back. A similar goal from previously, bouncing off the wall and into goal. It's 4-2 up for Belgium. And Slovakia almost scoring there, and they finally did. Found an opening and tapped into goal. It's 4-3 for Belgium. Slovakia seems to have reversed the one-way traffic earlier on from Belgium. And Belgium is finding it hard to score, and Slovakia with an open goal. Is he going to tap in? He does. A loose ball. The defenders were just not looking at the ball, and the Slovakia striker just had to tap it in. And it's 4-4, and Slovakia has made it 5-4 for Slovakia. Nice shot. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Belgium is ranked 4th, and their AI model gets to train on a massive 1.9 million games. Slovakia is 45th, and its AI gets to train on a mere 1 million games. This difference is huge, but the current scoreline is suggesting otherwise. Are we in for a big upset? It's 5-4 for Slovakia, and an own goal from Slovakia has made it evens. "5-5." Almost an own goal there from Belgium. A chance to counter-attack. Are they going to do it? Yes, with some help from the Slovakia defender who dribbled the ball into its own goal. Let's have a look. There we go. The Slovakia defender. 6-5 for Belgium. Lots of play in the midfield. Oh, a terrible own goal from Belgium this time. Misread a pass from his teammate and pushed it back into his own goal. It's 6-all. On a tight game. Belgium almost scoring. Another chance. Is he going to tap it in? No. A third chance, and he does. Let's have a look. The second chance he missed, but the third chance he got it in. "7-6 for Belgium. And it's 8-6. A nice tap in from the striker. 8-6 for Belgium. Belgium seems to have restored the one-way traffic that they had earlier on. And now they have another chance and missed. Nice clearance there from the Slovakia defender. Are they? Won't they? Oh, somehow they managed to push it in, putting a lot of pressure on the one defender and got it through. It's 9-6 for Belgium and game point. And almost winning the game there. Nice clearance from Slovakia. A loose ball. Belgium defender picking it up. And a tussle. Is he wanting yet? Yes, he does. And has sealed the game as a result of that. A nice counter-attack into an open goal. Well, what a game. Belgium started off with a one-way traffic, and then Slovakia came back and turned the tides. But then Belgium turned it back again, and the final score is Belgium 10, Slovakia 6. And this is how the table of Group E looks like. Belgium is almost certain to qualify for the next round bar a mathematical disaster. And Slovakia is almost out bar a mathematical miracle. The main question now for everyone is, will Belgium top the group? Write your answers in the comments below. The next game is Ukraine versus Romania. Subscribe to watch.